everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, James McKnight here. And today, we're playing another round of Dismount! Have you seen my last episode? We conquered some of the levels, but not all of them. So let's start. The Mall Chase! And yes. I still have the face of Link, Cartoon Link, and whatever link that's in the corner. Savior is the leader. You ready? His poster's ready. Like a boss! Let's go. Oh, that was too much. I think that was a little bit too much. But bro, you got left out. But bro! Dude! What was that? Did that car crash? Okay, buddy. Someone call an ambulance! Let's see what happened here. Yes, I skirted out of my seat. I got hit with the thing, and then another car crashed another cop into a parking space. Brilliant! That's a good way of transportation. So let's go. Nice and easy. That was a little bit too much for this truck. Okay, now it's gonna veer off. Oh, it's barely taking any hits. It's still going. Yeah, drifting. Nice. Oh my. Just Frank Wise. Wasn't fine. I just mangled a cop. I think you're gonna get in trouble for that. Let's go with Señor Turkey Bird. Let's fly, Turkey Bird. Flap those wings. You suck! Okay, since Señor Turkey Bird failed, let's try the elastic circle. Let's try that a little bit. Oh god. He's probably gonna outrun the cops. Oh my god, he did outrun the cops. Oh, clever, nice. Dude! Whoa. Bro, stop encircling me. Okay, stop it. Thank you for parking. Smashed me. Grab wagon. Oh, majestic grandpa's here to take care of it. That's right. You're just laying back. Bro! Dude. Stop running the tree over. Bro. I can't do my majestic old Grimwagon. It's time for the time lumping. Yep. It's the rockin'. The bus is rocking. Buddy's in the house tonight. Everybody's having good time. Well, you got it back up. That's fantastic. Why'd you stop? Oh, these cars are really bugging me. Time for the Quanfin Fighter. Wing X! Oh god. Dude. Dude! And that car is run into a tree. It's perfect. Just perfect. Okay, let's try the bandit. The indestructible bandit. Nothing stops the bandit of destruction. Stop weaving. Stop weaving. Oh, you are. Dude, stop wrecking my car. Stop wrecking my car. Yeah, that's it. Just push those cars aside. That's it, do a loop-de-loop. Are you gonna park? Park, please. You just keep going. And he parked. Good job. See? The bandit never lets me down. Never, ever. Let's try a disguise. Will the disguise work? Oh no, it won't. I think it will. See? Make the same sounds as on patrol. Bro, you're smashing into another cop's car. Dude, it's not rally time. It's not like we're jousting. Yeah, that's it. Just stay there. Oh my god, we're not jousting. Now, let's do when the band. Oh dear God. Oh my god. I can just run right into them. Three cars are ready for this. Start off with the shuriken. Go shuriken. Make mama proud. Oh. Yeah, you make mama frown. What's the opposite? The quantum fighter is ready for action. Wing X, are you reporting? Wing X. Mayday! You should have said it sooner. What the freak is happening right there? My body's just freaking out. I gotta see this in the replay. What is wrong with that? You just hit me in the face. You hit me in the face. Why? And now, the other car, the bandit. Let's rev it up. You're dead. Okay. It's very, very fun. I'm sure. At least for this, I can just put a big ramp right there. Also, those 4 cars can do it. 4 cars you won't go let me down. Back to the old majestic shuriken. What should I name this shuriken? Leave me in the comments below. What should I name this shuriken? This motorcycle. Right now it's gonna be called Shuriken. Guys, I'm just going with the name. Ow! my god. Oh, yes. Yes. I have merged with the shark game. Let's go with the Climb and the Bandit. Indestructible Bandit. Let's go. Rev it up. Let's rev it up. Bro, parachute. I'm fine. It's just one thing missing, but I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. I'm not. Bro, the crowd wants more blood and blood and diffusion bodies. They want that to happen. And the Quantum Fin Fighters came to deliver it. Let's go! Wing X, you ready for takeoff? Whoa! Dude! I'm flying! The Señor Turkey Bird on this thing! Ow. Mayday! Ow! Oh my god! Look, it's freaking out again! I've merged with the X-Wing. Now it's time for the Señor Turkey Bird. Let's fly. Come on. Come on. Turkey Bird. Why? Why are you reared to the right? Ow. Oh my god, that was so funny. I just popped out of my seat. And he's little waving. Ta-da! God, that was so funny. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave this episode here. We will continue with the Turbo Dismount, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And stay cool. Be like a boss. But just like that. Bye.